Have you ever pressed the print screen key to capture something in Google Chrome, only to discover that it also included your Windows taskbar, desktop, or even another monitor? There's a much cleaner way to take screenshots, and most people don't even know it exists. In this video, I'll show you 2 quick screenshot shortcuts that work perfectly with Google Chrome. Let's get started. First, here's what happens when you simply press the print screen key. When you paste the screenshot into an application like Paint, Word, or Discord, you'll notice it captures your entire screen, not just the Chrome window. If all you wanted was the browser, you'll probably need to crop the image afterward. A much better option is to press Alt plus Print Screen instead. This captures only the currently active window. So if Google Chrome is your active window, the screenshot will include only Chrome, without your taskbar, desktop, or any other open applications. This is the quickest way to capture an entire browser window cleanly. But what if you only need a specific part of a web page? In that case, press Windows plus Shift plus S. Your screen will dim, allowing you to click and drag to select exactly the area you want to capture. This is perfect for grabbing a paragraph, an image, an error message, or any small section of a web page without needing to crop it later. Both shortcuts copy the screenshot directly to your clipboard, so you can simply press Ctrl plus V to paste it into documents, chat apps, image editors, or emails. Once you start using these shortcuts, you'll probably never go back to the standard print screen key again. And that's it. You've successfully learned 2 better ways to take screenshots while using Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, Windows tips, productivity guides, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.